Well guys, today this is my first ever Python tutorial video, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to install Python, and we're going to verify if Python is installed correctly, and we're going to open interactive Python shell, and we're going to write our first line of code, and we're going to create our first hello Python file. So how to install Python? First we need to download Python. You go here at python.org, this website right here. And next, you could go here to the download page, and you can see here download for Windows. It will automatically detect what operating system you use. So you just click here, and next you just go save file. But for me, I already installed Python. So next, we're going to verify if you installed it correctly. So next, we're going to go to a terminal and use PowerShell or command prompt. For me, I'm going to use PowerShell. Next, we're going to write Python and version. Check which version is installed in your operating system. So enter. And for me, I'm using Python 3.8.5. But if you're using Python 2, maybe it's time to update your Python. So for me, it's okay. So next, we're going to open our interactive Python shell. So how do we do that? We type here Python. There we go. You can actually do it in, like, for example, command prompt. Python. There we go. So you go to command prompt, just write cmd, and there we go. Command prompt. And next, there we go. This is the interactive Python shell. So next on the list, we're going to write our first line of code. So how do we print something in Python? So we're going to write print hello YouTube. There we go. So we're going to hit enter. There we go. It prints out hello YouTube. So you could basically print anything. So anything. There we go. So next, we're going to write the first Python file. So how do we do that? So we can go here. You could download this IDE. It's free. It's very easy to use. It's called Visual Studio Code. So you just download it based on your operating system. And next, which is mine, I downloaded it already. This is what should it look like. And next we go to new file. We're going to name it hello world.py. There we go. That's a Python file. That's the extension of the Python file. Next, we're going to write print hello world. There we go. On what we printed here, just doing it in a external file. So next, what I like about Visual Studio Code is that it has a built-in terminal, I think, or you could just download it inside Visual Studio Code. So there we go. We're here in our path. Next, we're going to execute our file. We're going to type Python world.py. So hit enter. There we go. We have hello world. So next is so I think that's it for today's video. So if you want more videos, Python tutorial videos, I mean, comment down below, and if I upload new videos, Python tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss anything. So that's it. You can basically print anything. There we go. So our next video, we're going to talk about, we're going to, so this is how you comment, by the way. It's a hashtag. So the next video, we will talk about variables, and we're going to talk about variables and, okay, wait a minute, and assigning values. Values. So it will be like this, something like that in our next video.